for airboat. Airboats skim on swampy ground. Fans spin fast, they whir around. Glide through reeds where fish all hide. Nature's taxi water ride.
B for bulldozer.
Bulldozers push with roaring might, knocking walls both left and right. Blades so strong they clear the way, building dreams for work and play.
C for cruiser bike.
Cruiser bikes roll slow and cool. Beachside rides are summer rule.
Handlebars so wide and neat, pedal easy down the street. D for dirt bike.
Dirt bikes jump on bumpy track. Mud flies off your racing back.
Vroom and zoom through hills and sand, off-road fun that kids demand.
E for express train.
Express trains rush through night and day. Stations pass in speeding sway. Whistle blows and lights go by. Travel fast, oh me, oh my. F for ferry.
Ferries carry cars and more, floating dock to distant shore. Honking horns and seagulls fly.
Boat and road beneath the sky. G for glider.
Gliders soar without a sound, silent wings that spin around.
Catch the wind and drift so high, floating soft in open sky. H for hoverboard.
Hoverboards roll smooth and sleek, sidewalk ride with tricks unique.
Lean ahead, you're gliding free, zooming past the buzzing bee. I for icebreaker ship. Icebreaker ships crack frozen white, sailing where the cold bites tight. Pathways open in the freeze, adventure calls, let's ride today. K for kickboard.
Kickboard splash in swimming pool, hold on tight, that's swimming school.
Kick your feet and glide along, learning strokes with splashes strong. L for limousine.
Limousine so long and wide, fancy rides with style and pride.
Windows tinted, party fun, VIP for everyone. M for monorail.
Monorails ride rails up high, city views just touch the sky.
Glide above the bustling street, quiet trains where people meet. N for night bus.
Night buses roll when stars appear, city lights and moon so near.
Sleepy eyes look out and see dreamy roads and mystery.
O for off-road truck. Off-road trucks climb hills and mud, splash through streams in rocky flood.
Big wheels roar with thunder sound, adventure waits on rugged ground.
P for paddle boat.
Paddle boats in lakes go slow, feet keep spinning, waters flow. Quack quack, ducks come swimming near, picnic rides with friends so dear. Q for quad bike.
Quad bikes rumble through the trail, bounce and turn where paths grow pale.
Four wheels grip and engines hum, forest rides where wild things come. R for rickshaw.
Rickshaws roll through busy street, ring the bell for comfy seat.
Pedals push you here and there, city breeze and open air. S for subway train.
Subway trains zoom underground, darkest tunnels rumble sound.
Doors swing open, people cheer, next stop comes so quick and near. T for tractor.
Tractors plow the field so wide, farmers steer with country pride.
Big black tires and engines strong, pull the crops the whole day long.
U for utility van. Utility vans fix wires and light, bringing power through the night. Toolbox ready, ladders high, keep the city bright and dry. V for vintage car. Vintage cars go toot-toot slow, old-time horns and shiny glow.
Classic wheels from days gone past, cruising roads that memories cast. W for wheel loader.
Wheel loaders scoop up rocks and sand, move big piles with mighty hand.
Beeping loud and lifting high, building dreams that touch the sky. X for explorer drone.
Explorer drones fly up so free, clicking pics of what they see.
Fields and forests, rivers wide, eyes in sky that gently glide. Y for yacht.
Yachts float calm on ocean blue, sails and party sunny view.
Anchor down or drift away, seagulls sing and dolphins